How to use Avalanche MetaMask easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to connect Avalanche network to your MetaMask wallet easily. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your MetaMask wallet and you will get right here. MetaMask is a crypto wallet that we can get for free and we can switch between different networks on MetaMask. The default network on MetaMask is Ethereum, but we can switch and add new networks in order to use our MetaMask for several blockchains. We can also add an Avalanche network, and that's what I will show you today, how to add an Avalanche network to your MetaMask. So let's get into it. So once you get to your MetaMask, this is where you will get, and you can see we have two ways to get to the add network option. So the first way is a very quick way. Just simply click on your networks here and click on add network. And it will take you to add network window here where you can enter the details to add Avalanche network. Each network has its own RPC URL link, and then there is a chain ID. So we can just enter the details right here and we will be able to add a new network. If you do not have a MetaMask, you can get a MetaMask wallet really easily. Simply go to metamask.io and you will get on this website right here. What you guys need to do is, if you're using Chrome, you can download the extension. So let me quickly show you that too. Just click on download and it will take you to chrome.google.com/extensions. Here we have it. I'm going to click on add to Chrome. You can see I already have added it. That is why it says remove from Chrome. So it will say add to Chrome. Click on it and an extension will be added to your Google Web Chrome. Now you can open up the extension and this is what it looks like. I have opened up the settings. Now let's add a new network that is going to be Avalanche. Network name. So you will just simply type in the word Avalanche. Then we have the new RPC URL. Now where to get this URL? Just go to Google and search for Avalanche MetaMask, or you can go to support.avex.network and then go to how do I set up MetaMask, and it will take you to this page. But the easiest way to get here is by just going to your Google and search for Avalanche MetaMask, and the first link is going to be this link right here. Once you are on this website, you just have to scroll down to the details right here. We have the network name that we added, and this is the RPC URL link that we need. So what we will do is we'll just copy this link address and paste it on our MetaMask here. So I'll just paste it. It's been added. Now we have chain ID. So the chain ID for Avalanche is 43114. So that's what I'm gonna add. 43114. And then we have a currency symbol. It's going to be AVEX here. And then we have a block explorer URL. Now this is an optional option right here that we can skip if we want. Your network will be saved if you want to. And what you can do is you can leave this option, but you can also get this link too. So we can just like copy this link from here, which is the explorer link, and we can paste it with the other details. So here we have all of our details added. Feel free to pause the video and add the details right here. Chain ID 43114 and RPC URL link that we can get by just going to support.avex.network. Once it's done, click on save and your new network will be saved. You can see Avalanche was successfully added, and here we have our AVEX on our MetaMask. So you can see here we have our AVEX, and now we can go ahead and use our MetaMask with our Avalanche. We can switch between different networks. We have Ethereum mainnet, Avalanche, Smart Chain, and a Matic network. Now these are the networks that I added, and now I can just switch between these. For example, I can switch from my Avalanche to my Ethereum. You can see it will be switched. This is the default network, and then I can switch to my Avalanche if I want to trade and buy and sell on AVEX anytime. So I can use my simple MetaMask because I have this network now. So here we have our Avalanche. If you want to delete a network, you can just click on this cross and that network will be removed. Now it is added. Let me show you how to buy Avalanche with your MetaMask. Go to the deposit option and it has 5 options available for you to add and buy AVAX. The first one is Coinbase Pay. Buy AVAX with Coinbase Pay and you can just continue. If you have a Coinbase Pay, you can just continue with it. Then there is a Transact. Then there is a Moon Pay, Wire, and then we have direct deposit AVAX. So you can actually get AVAX with your MetaMask using your Wire or Coinbase Pay. You can also directly deposit AVAX if you have in any of your account. So these are the ways you will deposit it. And 5 ways are available. It also depends on the network and your country and the methods that MetaMask supports. In order to send someone your AVAX, you will just enter their public address here and you will be able to send them. To swap tokens, it's really easy. Click on the swap option given and it will allow you to swap from AVAX to others and from others to AVAX. Let's say I want to swap 10 AVAX. We have right here Avalanche to some other tokens such as USDT. So this is what I will get. Similarly, I can change the positions to convert and swap USDT to AVAX. So 10 USDT right now at the time of making this video is $9.99, which is almost $10. So you can see we have AVAX. Now click on review. Advanced option will show you the slippage tolerance where you can check 22%, 3% or custom. And then we have review swap. So you can just review your swap as well and you will be able to check that how to swap and you will be able to simply sign in with your wallet. Now another way to get to the add network option, as I said in the start, this is the easiest way to add a network. Or what you can do is click on your account, go to settings, in settings go to networks. And this is where you can add a new network. Click on add network and you will be able to add a new network. Then we have other networks that we already added and we have test networks as well. So once the networks are done, you're done with the settings, you can go back. In general settings on MetaMask, we have a currency conversion, primary currency, we have account identity and others. In advanced, we have some of the advanced option. In contacts, here you can add a contact list and add all the details and your different IDs to send and swap your cryptos. Then we have security and privacy, alerts, and again, networks. So you can see all of your network details can be found within your settings. In advanced, I will actually like to show you, we have advanced gas control option available. Show hex data, show conversion on test networks, show test networks as well. So these are all the options available for our MetaMask. So you can just go ahead and start using MetaMask for your Avalanche and you have added a new network. Again, just go to the networks right here, click on add network. It will take you to the window. Go to support.avax.network or search for Avalanche MetaMask and click on the first link to get all these details. Add the details and you have an Avalanche network on MetaMask and you will be able to use Avalanche MetaMask wallet really easily. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.